Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be unboxing the brand new Fire TV Stick 4K Max, the most powerful 4K streaming stick plus next gen Wi-Fi 6. So let's see what we have here. All right, all smiles. We have the Fire TV Stick itself, power cable, remote, and extension cable if needed. Of course, we have directions. So make sure that's it. Yep, that's it. So the biggest difference with this and the regular Fire TV 4K is this has Wi-Fi 6 support built in and live picture-in-picture. I don't know if you use that, but it could be handy. 8 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of memory, Dolby Atmos, all the features of all of the other Fire Sticks, only better. So, if we look here, we have the new remote, Alexa voice remote, as with the 4K, with your Prime Video, Netflix, Disney, and Hulu buttons here. So basically that's what's in the box, and this retails for $54.99. Compared to the $49.99 Fire Stick 4K. So I'm going to do a video coming up on the configuration and connection of this guy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this video.